Hello, we're here at Bonsai Fest at Newark. It's the first time we've done this show. We mentioned it in our videos in the last couple of weeks. It's about 30 minutes drive from the nursery. We've had such good support here. Josh is one of the organisers of the show. We've had lots of people coming through the door. Been the best attendance bonsai show in recent years in the UK. Central location. We had a lot of people calling in at the nursery prior to the show. A few people calling in tomorrow and the end of today. And we've had a sales table behind us. We've been pretty busy since 9 o'clock this morning, selling bits and bobs. We were supposed to be doing a video earlier, but we kind of got a bit carried away. We've got a big sales area in here, all sorts of traders, 200 sales tables here. We've had demonstrations in the back room, Graham Potter and Kevin Wilson. And over here on the far side, we've got about 50 high quality exhibition trees, and I sneaked 3 of mine in there, so let's go and have a look, and we'll have a look at the trees that I brought along. Some of you will recognise them. So I put 3 trees in the exhibition today. They're out of competition. I was one of the judges, so you can't really judge your own trees, can you? So they're out of competition, but they've just been brought along for people to see. So this is the Shishigashira maple that we did as a video a couple of weeks ago. We did a video on potting it. You know, technically for me, I'd like better ramification, more twigs on it, and it would be ready for show in about 3 or 4 years' time. We had such good feedback on the video last week that we brought it along here so people can just see it in the flesh, so they can appreciate the size of it and the subtlety in the pot. We potted it into this Shuho bonsai pot. So if you haven't had a look at that video, just have a look back at our archive and you'll see that. It's just starting to come into leaf since it's been repotted. So we had that on display. And then I bought a Ezo spruce. I've owned this tree for about 10 years now. Been working on it during that time. Twin trunk style in a wood-fired Chinese bonsai pot, and a bespoke bonsai table made by CHR Tables. And finally, Ace Palmatum Arakawa, rough bark maple, been in my collection for a number of years. And this used to be in a Gordon Duffett pot, and it was a beautiful pot, and it had a crackle glaze on it, and it really suited the tree. Unfortunately, the tree's outgrown the pot, and I was looking for a replacement pot for it, and this is a vintage John Pitt pot that I happen to have. You know, just like you have vintage John Pitt pots kicking around, I was lucky to have that. We've tried the tree in it. It affords it a little bit more space, and also, despite it not having the crackle glaze that I did like on the Duffett pot, the colour and the tone of this glaze is so nice to my eye, and hopefully to yours, against the bark of the Arakawa maple. So we just had a few trees. Follow me, we'll have a little walk around the exhibition. So Josh is doing the filming. Josh has had a busy day. We've all had a busy day, haven't we, Josh? Indeed. So we've just awarded the prizes for the trees. So I think down here we've got a Scots pine. This was awarded the best conifer tree at the show due to its high level of refinement, which is not often seen on Scots pine. Very nicely displayed, well turned out composition. A little bit further down here, the best deciduous tree was awarded to this Korean hornbeam. This is an Ian Bailey pot. Beautiful composition here and high level of refinement on that tree. And if you follow me around the other side, so around here we've got a category, the best in show category was a Trident maple owned by Mark and Rita Cooper. You would have seen this tree before, and this has been to a few shows. So this is owned by Mark and Rita Cooper. It's won best in show here at Bonsai Fest in Newark. Again, refinement and the quality of this tree is just outstanding. It's set. We've got we're very lucky. We've got 6 or 7 Trident maples here today, but this one was very, very high level of refinement. even compared to its counterparts. So this one, this Taxus won Best Tree Pot Combination. It's just been photographed at the moment to so that we've got record of it. And this is Richard's tree, Best Tree and Pot Combination, a Gordon Duffet pot, and the tones within the clay of the pot really do match the tones within the bark of this Taxus, which is why it won the award for the Best Tree and Pot Combo. The quality of trees here today has been outstanding. There's so many good quality trees, you know, trees that deserve an honourable mention. You know, this juniper rock planting by Kaz Bonsai. You know, if some of you have seen that before, the level of refinement on that is second to none. But with it being the first show here, we only had so many awards to give, so it was a hard job for the judges. This Lanissera here, it's one of the best examples that I've seen of a Lanissera. You know, there's so many trees like this that sort of are worth an honourable mention at this show. It was such a hard job to pick the best from the best, but it's been a hugely successful show for us here today. It's been so good to meet people. A lot of you have come up and made a weekend of it, and you visited Greenwood Bonsai studio. So if you've done that, you know, you get special thanks from us, and we'll get a little bit more filming. Josh do a little bit more filming around the exhibition. There'll be other stuff online from people that have had more time to film. Being involved with the show, we've had limited time to film, but we'll show you our little snippets anyway. Thank you very much.
Do I wait for my day to come while I stay up? Give thanks to the morning sun, for it shine will be done. Do I wait for my day to come while I stay